So Ollie, do you want to tell everybody what you did? It smelled awful, actually. When I smelled you, I physically gagged. You're gonna have to get a bath when we get home. Hi, Dexter. Come on in. Okay, we're going downstairs. Come on, let's go downstairs. No, Ollie, come on. Ollie, come on. Good boy. Very good. Okay. No, come on. You gotta go in. Oh, what? Ollie! No, come on. Ollie, come on. You got it, Ollie. Okay. Ollie. Come on. Ollie, you gotta come down. Ollie, come. Okay. Come on. Go on in. Good boy. Oh my gosh, you look so handsome. Okay, do you want your treat? Okay, you can have your treat first. You want your treat? Yes. Okay, which one do we give you first? You get 2 treats because you were such a good boy. Okay, hold on. Oh, so excited, Chippy. Chippy's excited. One and 2. Sit. Yes. There you go. Oh, you want to go outside? Say yes. Want to dry off in the sun. Okay. Go on, go be free. Bye, Ollie. And he's going to go dry off while I take care of all the other stuff. No, you can't go out. I'm sorry.